What next? We can see what else is there. You have your map, stock, all these charts are not that much of use, but definitely histogram and box and whiskers plot are very useful. Histogram is basically when you want to analyze a single distribution of single variables. So sales I can click on and go to insert. I can again go to charts. I would rather say recommended charts. It is recommending these. It is recommending time series, but we need to have a time element to plot time series. So not useful, but it also recommends histogram, which is like this. So I either do it like this way, or I can come here and I can straight away click histogram, and it builds a nice distribution, which is the maximum values. The density is somewhere around mean, and it is kind of evenly distributed on the left or on the right. So there is a standard deviation, which means there is a spread of this data. This is where somewhere in this range 14.4 to 17.6 the mean of data would be. If I click on it, its mean is around 15.11, which is between 14.4 to 17.6. That's where the density of data is highest, but it tapers off the further you go from the mean on the left and the right side. So the further you're deviating from the mean, the lesser the density of data is going down and down and down, right? That's how histogram, and this is what the shape of data looks like. This is famously called as the Gaussian curve or the normal curve. You can actually again you can draw that here. Okay, so what we can do is we can actually draw a shape. Let me try to do a better job at it. Let me go. Yeah, here it is picking up this one. I'm just trying to touch the centers, just following that. So this one is a fairly what you call it as the Gaussian curve or the normal curve. The data is maximum around the mean. The density is maximum around the mean, and as you're going further from the mean, it is tapering off. So this is less data, this is less data, this is less data, this is even less, lesser. Density is falling, right? So that's the nature of data which is represented by the normal distribution, and most of the commonly measured elements or entities like height, weight, weight of say students in a school, distribution of height of students, right? These are very common use cases of distribution shown by the normal curve, but that's what at the base it is a histogram.